Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can create character on Talkie Soulful AI application. Keep watching the video till the end. To create character on Talkie Soulful, firstly go ahead and launch open your Talkie Soulful AI application. The homepage of Talkie Soulful application will appear on the screen. Click on Create option at the bottom of the page. Tap on gender that you prefer to create and tap on Start. Add reference image if you want to and tap on Generate. Click on the option from the generated result and tap on Pick. Click on Next. Now all you need to do is click on Confirm. This is how you can create character on Talkie Soulful AI application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.